morning, everybody. Myself Meena Suryavanshi. In I want myself Meena Suryavanshi. I just want to orient you people about our St. Xavier's Institute of Education's library. Dr. Susama Samuel, she is the principal of our college, and Father Blaise D'Souza, he is the manager for our institute.
Hello, I would like to give you a tour of our college website, St. Xavier's Institute of Education. In this website, we can see we have lots of facilities, like we have notice board. The college events are put on here. You can also see we had a health cell, and the brochure was here for COVID-19. There is also a helpline for students for COVID-19. You can see here about our college, the programs, admission, college facilities, the certificate courses, the faculties, college management. Let us see the facilities given by our library. Here we can see all the information regarding library, the services, working hours, rules and regulations, everything are posted here, and they are updated every now and then. You can see our gallery where we put the photos of our curricular activities, the news and events happening in our college, the notice board. Thank you.
Now I will tell you about our library. We have very well equipped library with over 10,000 books. It is well fitted, spacious and conducive to serious study and research. Along with me, a library attendant is there at the counter to assist with locating books and with other queries. The college also provides interlibrary facilities from neighboring institutions and universities. St. Xavier's Institute of Education strives to contribute towards developing tomorrow's teachers in the era of globalization from the conventional one, equipped with the values of collaboration, compassion, and commitment. At the library, we work towards stimulating the process of teaching and learning and developing lifelong learners. St. Xavier's Institute of Education Library has over 10,000 books, periodicals, newspapers, journals, e-resources, lesson plans, project works, etc. Libraries' learning resources have made a difference in the areas of getting students interested in planning their lessons creatively, increasing students' retention power, providing in-depth information of any concept or terms, promoting higher order thinking, enhancing student-teachers involvement, providing satisfaction, solving students' doubts and increasing group interaction. The objective of our library is to develop appropriate collection in various disciplines of education and also to satisfy and stimulate the process of learning, teaching and developing lifelong learners. The working hours of our library is 8:30 from the morning to 5:30 in the evening, that is Monday to Saturday except holidays. Our library resources, as I said, includes the books, journals and periodicals, projects, lesson plans, question papers and CD-ROMs. The library services we offer to the students are book bank facility, career and employment information service, circulation service, e-resources, library orientation that we give every term, new arrivals, display also, reading. We are providing the reading room, reference and referral service, and reprography. Arrangement of library services are like this. The books are arranged according to subject wise. The books are arranged according to subject wise, right from starting from 00, 100, 200, 300, like that. So all the books are arranged according to classification number, then alphabet, and then accession number. Journals and periodicals are arranged according to alphabetical sequence wise, and online journals are, we have given the access for that in our library. CD-ROM collection, the CD-ROM collection are arranged according to the accession number. Dissertations and thesis, that is also according to number wise. Library rules and regulations. Every library has its own rules and regulations. So we also have the rules and regulations to enhance the library services. The library remains open on all the working days except Sundays and notified public holidays. The hours of the library are 8:30 in the morning to 5:30 p.m. that is from Monday to Saturday. Library membership can be obtained who have joined the college as regular students or by showing the admission slip. A non-member can use the library resources on the premises with the permission of the principal and librarian. Every student will be required to show the identity card to the library staff while entering the library or on demand and sign on the visit register of the library. The library follows an open shelf system. Members are free to browse through the collection in the stack area. They are directly going in the stacks, searching the information and bringing that material in the reading room or for the issue. The students are required to leave their bags, files, folders, personal belongings outside the library before accessing the library resources. Eating, smoking, discussion is strictly forbidden. It's not allowed. Strict silence, decorum, and discipline must be maintained in the library. Readers should not mark, underline, write, tear pages. Appropriate action will be taken and students shall be asked to make good any loss or damage to library resources. They shall have to replace with a new copy and pay 20% of cost of book as a fine. The librarian may temporarily or permanently suspend the library membership if student is found causing any damages to library resources or violation of the rules and regulations of the library. Library fine is ₹2 per day including holidays and will be charged for books not written within the specified time. The student will be responsible for library resources issued to him or her. Also, failing to return book bank books, fine of ₹5 per book per day will be levied after the due date. Students may avail of the photocopy or reprography facility at ₹1 per page. Students shall be entitled to collect their mark sheets, leaving certificates and NOCs only after all library resources against their name have been returned or replaced or paid for. Thank you.